this is part 2.
Yeah.
It's our quest to mine diamonds.
Yeah, it's our part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
But I can't see anything.
I can.
Why?
Follow me. Follow me to the end of the sun. I will kick your ass at end of the night.
Hindi ako yun.
Hindi ikaw yun ah. Di ba? I saw you. I saw you. You hit her with a potato.
It's not her. It's not a her. It's a his.
Yes. You hit him with a potato.
Napungo tayo dun sa puno.
So what now? I can't see.
Kailangan mawin.
Oy! Oh, you come back here.
Crouch ka!
Ay, sorry. Oh, you come back here.
Motherfuckers. Niggas.
Can't see.
You niggas.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys?
Wala. Sabi niya nugget eh.
Oy, come back. Come back, DJ.
What the fuck?
Back, DJ.
Hi.
Hi, DJ. Hi, DJ. That's why you did that to me. Ow! Ow!
Di mo ba ako nalukulan ako?
Okay, tara na.
Okay. Where are you guys?
I don't know.
I'm going to follow DJ Gamer. I know where she is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, I know.
Hello.
Hello? It's me. Can you hear me?
Bitch.
That's it. Come back. Come here. Come here.
No.
Yo.
Wow, stop it. Let's go. This is our quest for diamonds. You just care of killing people.
No.
No.
But we want to find a village.
Bakit?
We want to find a village to find some food.
I thought
Or
there was a
armor.
village. That's our mushroom.
There are armor there, right?
Yup.
Wait for me.
No.
I will run. I will sprint.
Okay.
Sprint to the
Galing
world.
mag-English ng kapatid ko na.
Yeah,
Come on.
bitch.
Come on.
Ay, yung wood! Yung wood! Kunin mo!
Hindi konti lang sobra. Stop laughing at me.
Sorry. I didn't mean to laugh.
Okay, I'm back.
Come on, guys.
Where is he?
There he is in the pool.
Hello.
Come on, let's go.
Kaya ka na lang tumawag.
Lalaro pa tayo ng ano.
Nalaro ka
Yes.
na yung kape.
And we're videoing.
Sige. Sige.
I cannot
I'm
find.
stuck.
Ah, boss!
I mean, wait out there. Don't come back.
Bye.
Don't. Where are you?
Thought
Bye.
I found.
I'm lost. Ay, there you are.
Ano oras na ba?
Where? We've been hours finding a cave. We haven't find a cave at all.
Hindi ako yun. At mom yun eh.
8:30. Kaya nga eh. Halos 1 hour.
Come back here, Ate Bob.
Actually, motherfucker.
Thank you, Asi.
Kill
Okay,
both
bye-bye.
of you.
I will kill all of you. Where are you guys? Guys!
Kill both of you.
Bye.
Come on! I'm stuck! Okay.
I'm stuck.
I can't see!
Wait.
It's laggy!
Wait, it's almost, ano, na ngayon?
Morning.
Morning?
Yeah.
Yay! It's almost morning! Let's... Come on, Don!
Food.
I need food!
I want to kill a cow.
I want to
We
kill...
do
I
not
want to
need
kill a...
food because
I want to kill
the
a pig!
difficulty is off.
I want to
Bilisan
kill
mo!
a... Ah!
Bitch.
I want to kill a pig!
I want to kill Golden Apple Cow.
Okay, never mind.
I want to kill Ate Pam.
I wanna kill Golden Apple Cow.
Mayroon ganon?
Wala. Wala ko na yun. Ayun naman pala, wood. Uy, akala ko tilayin, no?
Oo nga, ay parang layo. Kala ko nga din layo na.
Saan?
Yung wood.
Ano?
Kala ko din layon. We both thought that was lion.
Ayan, di na sa layo.
Dahil sinira mo.
Muntik na yun.
Oo nga. Or wood. Or wood.
Morning.
Faster!
Stop!
I will go put Mabio.
I want to kill you with a dime and sword and shoot you, Ate Pam. I'm lagging! Help!
Hey!
I'm stuck!
Babe!
Where?
Wait! Wait,
Yes!
guys!
Ow.
Yes! Yes! Wait, guys!
Kailangan,
Hey, I'll kill you, bitch!
uy,
Guys, I'm here!
kailangan natin ng ano,
Torches.
ng coal.
I need some stone. I don't have stone. Guys, it's so dark. Can't see.
Walang coal.
Nope.
Walang coal.
Where are you?
Kasi,
Guys, I'm getting some stone for us.
wala.
Guys, I'm getting stone.
But there's iron.
Kunin mo.
I got stone pickaxe. I'll make a stone pickaxe.
Jesse, grab this iron.
Okay, wait. I'll craft one.
Uy, hey guys. Nalabas ko pala to.
Okay. I made a pickaxe. Where are you guys?
I'm lost.
Where are you guys? I can't see.
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
I'm lost too.
Okay, never mind. Nandito
I
si
can
Asi.
see you guys. I can see you guys. I know where to go. Where are you guys? Where's
Asi,
the iron? I'm
can you say
here.
my name? Halika.
I'm here. Can you see my name as well?
Hey!
Oh no.
Stop!
Sorry, I left you. Where's the iron, Asi? I can see you.
I cannot find that iron, bitch.
Ow. Oh. I'm mining you.
Oh, shit.
I can't see. I think we're
What you're
stuck.
grabbing?
I think we're stuck here forever
No?
and never.
No?
Guys.
Guys, I can't see. I'm lost.
Bye.
Guys.
Bye.
Guys, I'm stuck.
What?
I found something.
What is it?
Think it's going deeper and we'll have diamonds.
Huh?
It's going deeper with lava?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think.
Uy! Meron mga coal!
Where?
Yes. Wait, I can get the coal.
Lava! Bitch.
Guys,
Hey!
bitch.
Coal!
Where?
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh shit, coal. Iron!
Get me some.
Tara, kunin natin.
Wait, guys, I'm coming.
I'm grabbing the coal and I'm grabbing the diamond and coal.
Guys, help. I'm stuck.
Girl,
Redstone. I'm grabbing the iron.
Wait, this search.
I'm grabbing iron.
Ba't hindi ko nakikita?
Guys, I'm grabbing the iron.
Sorry. Wala akong makita, oh. Puro stone lahat.
Wait, tingnan.
Inunukinit ko lang to, eh.
Ano?
Oh.
Look, hindi yung stone na grabe. Ito yun eh. Ano mo?
Ayan.
Pindutin ko nga din to. Ay, wala. Hindi puro stone. I'll get that. Give me
Ay,
some
diba?
coal as well.
yung crafting table ko nasa sayo.
Wala.
Oh, merong crafting table.
Dalawa?
Isa.
Dalawa nga, meron. Oh.
We need a furnace. Kailangan natin ng furnace. Para ano yun yung iron.
I can make...
There, I made a furnace.
I made 68 coal.
No.
I mean...
I have
No.
I have
We
4
can't
coal.
cook. We can't cook.
Why? There's coal in hill. Here.
Yan yung iron.
Coal.
You want me to
Chelsea,
give you
coal.
gold?
Chelsea! Chelsea! Yung pag cold black, 64, makukok yun. Di sa mauubos. Kailangan natin na
I think
black.
we found gold already. Oh,
we don't need coal.
iron,
I mean,
gold.
Yeah.
I'm getting some
I'm gonna make...
iron. Wait, we can't cook. Asi, we can't cook.
Why?
I don't know.
Wala kayong
Cold? Meron madami dito.
I'm putting the coal in, but it doesn't go. It doesn't
Doesn't work
work.
for you. It's work for me.
Try it. Why do we...
I'm making
Coal! I found coal. I found coal. I found coal.
Ako pa yung unan yun eh. Ako pa nakita yung dati ba?
Ah, no! No!
Bakit?
There was gravel.
Dumbass.
It was killing me.
Uy, iron!
Hindi nyo ba kukunin yung crafting table niyo?
Oh.
Go!
Ito, madami dito. Chelsea, dito. Mga madami.
Di mo kukunin yung ano mo, Ate Pam? Crafting table.
Hindi sa akin kaya kasi.
Kunin mo yung crafting table mo kasi.
Kunin mo yun.
Baka may diamonds doon.
Wala.
Lapis.
Sabi sa sulit, kukunin mo yun. Kailangan natin yun.
Lapis.
Kailangan natin yun.
Yung lapis?
Oo.
Okay. Say senpai. Study for hours at the morning cemetery. Now can something you're finally making mine. That girl's
Guys,
standing there.
I think
Yes.
I found
What?
a jackpot.
What? Diamond?
Look. In there. This look like a diamond.
Saan ka?
I don't
Maybe.
see anything. I just see stone.
Saan?
Where? Where are you?
Saan?
Where? Wait, I'm going.
We need to get in there.
Wala naman eh.
Where are you?
I think there's a diamond.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Let's just check it out. There's a lot of lava. If there's a lot of lava, I think there's diamonds. That day, I just watched a video. Then there's a lot of lava. Then she found a lot of she found diamonds
Who's
because
my... sino mas cute? Si Chelsea ako. Who is much cuter? Chelsea or me?
what? Sino? Sino yung cute din mag-smile?
Sa Minecraft, okay?
Sino mas cute sa skin namin? Wala mang ikaw dahil sino mas cute sa totoong buhay?
Ako.
Hindi, pipiliin mo. Si
Oh,
Ate-
sorry! Oh,
Oh, no!
are you okay? Oh,
Kill me!
I'm sorry.
Now I can't find you anymore. I'm sorry, but if you die, you can't go. And go to... So, Dawn, you can only...
So
video
guys,
now.
Chelsea died.
So, I'm not going to video again, part 3. No part 3 anymore, so I'm sorry, guys.
I got part 3.
If you want part 3, but I don't have any. If you want part 3, we can make another world. If you want part 3
Yeah.
of mine, we can make another world and find diamonds
I'm
again.
sorry, I'm
If they
clumsy.
find if they found diamond and they're done from their quest, I'm out of the quest now.
Saan yung nakita mo, Diamond?
I'm out of the diamond quest now, so I'm sorry if you want me to be there still. I'm sorry. Maybe if you guys...
Diamond!
Where?
Diamond!
Where?
I found!
Where?
They found diamond. Okay.
Saan? Saan?
Hey!
I'm sorry if
I'll
you're...
break it.
Sorry, you're angry at... You're angry at... You're angry at DJ Prissy. I'm sorry.
May
Say
ayun ka,
sorry.
diba?
Say sorry. Say sorry.
Sorry. Is it too late now?
Because she pulled me on the lava, so I died now. So bye. Bye guys. There's no part 3.
I was in third person.
We're going to make another diamond quest. We promise. We'll make another diamond quest.
See? I'm the diamond.
Okay then. Bye-bye. Bye.